Number 1.
1982 Chevrolet C10, price $10,995, powered by a dependable 5.0L V8 gasoline engine paired with an automatic transmission. With approximately 81,000 miles on the odometer, it features a sleek black exterior matched by a black interior, giving the truck a timeless and aggressive appearance. Equipped with power windows, power door locks, a tilt steering column, and a sliding rear window, it offers a combination of classic styling and everyday convenience. The truck has been well maintained and remains a solid example of Chevrolet's iconic C10 series. The body is straight, the glass is in good condition, and the bed is solid with no rust, making it an excellent candidate for restoration, customization, or continued use as a reliable driver. It runs and drives well, with several recent improvements including a new windshield, water pump, starter, seat cover, and exterior moldings.
Number 2.
1999 Ford F250, price $10,995, powered by the legendary 7.3-liter turbocharged diesel V8 engine, producing 235 horsepower at 2,700 revolutions per minute and an impressive 500 lb-ft of torque at 1,600 revolutions per minute. Combined with a reliable rear-wheel drive (RWD) drivetrain, this truck delivers the strength and performance needed for towing, hauling, and demanding work applications. With 203,000 miles, it has proven its capability and endurance over years of service, making it a practical choice for buyers seeking a hard-working diesel truck with a reputation for longevity. Featuring a spacious four-door configuration with seating for up to 6 passengers, the F250 offers both utility and comfort for work crews or family use.
Its rugged construction, strong pulling power, and straightforward mechanical design contribute to its lasting appeal and ease of maintenance. Number 3.
1990 Chevrolet 1500, price $7,800. It has approximately 183,000 miles and is powered by a gasoline-fueled 350 V8 engine paired with a 5-speed manual transmission. Originally built as a V6 automatic truck, it has undergone an extensive transformation, with an estimated 80% of the vehicle being replaced or upgraded. The truck features a blue exterior, a red interior, upgraded Mini Cooper seats, electronic fuel injection (EFI), 22-inch wheels wrapped in 255/30 tires, a notched rear frame, lowering springs up front, and new brakes all the way around. It has also been fitted with a new air conditioning system. While the heater lines and most vacuum lines have been recently replaced, it currently needs a front-end alignment, a parking brake cable, and the clutch master cylinder blade before it can be driven properly.
Number 4.
1998 Chevrolet 1500, price $6,000, with a reliable 5.0L, 305 V8 engine and a 2WD drivetrain. The truck has been driven approximately 104,000 miles and features an automatic transmission paired with a gasoline-powered engine. It comes finished in a classic white exterior with a clean blue interior. Several recent updates have been completed, including a new battery, new mirrors, a new dash cover, and upgraded lights.
While the exterior shows some minor nicks and dings consistent with its age, the body remains solid and in good condition. The interior is clean and well cared for, reflecting the overall maintenance of the vehicle. Number 5.
2000 Chevrolet 1500, price $5,900, with 203,000 miles on the odometer and an automatic transmission. It is powered by the highly regarded 5.3L V8 gasoline engine, known for its reliability and strong towing capability. Finished in a sleek black exterior paired with a tan leather interior, this Silverado presents itself well for its age. It also comes with a clean history, showing 0 reported accidents, and has remained completely rust-free, making it an excellent example of a truck that has been properly cared for throughout the years. Inside, the cabin is clean and well-maintained, providing a comfortable driving experience with leather seating, power-adjustable seats, power windows, and power door locks. The air conditioning blows cold, ensuring comfort during warm weather, while the fully functional 4x4 system adds confidence and capability in a variety of driving conditions.
Number 6.
1988 Nissan D21, price $7,000, with approximately 11,000 miles on the odometer. It stands out with its attractive blue exterior and matching blue interior, giving it a unique and timeless look. Powered by a gasoline engine and paired with a 4-speed manual transmission, the truck delivers a smooth and dependable driving experience. It starts easily, runs strong, and is currently being used as a daily driver. Despite carrying a salvage title, this Nissan D21 remains in impressive condition inside and out. The interior is exceptionally clean and has been rated 10 out of 10, reflecting the level of care it has received. The truck has also been upgraded with new rims and tires, while its lowered suspension gives it a clean, custom appearance that turns heads wherever it goes. It is currently tagged and registered, ready for its next owner to enjoy immediately.
Number 7.
1964 Chevrolet C10, price $9,500. It has been driven 56,800 miles and is powered by a reliable 250 inline 6-cylinder gasoline engine. It features a manual transmission with the desirable 3-speed column shift, commonly known as 3 on the tree. The truck is finished in gray with a black interior, giving it a clean and timeless appearance that complements its vintage character. The vehicle has been well cared for and benefits from numerous recent updates.
All clutch components have been replaced, helping to ensure smooth and dependable operation.
The brakes are in good condition, and the truck starts, runs, and drives well. It also comes with a clean title, providing added confidence for its next owner.
Cosmetically, the C10 retains a good overall body and presents nicely for its age.
A new windshield and gasket have recently been installed, improving both appearance and functionality. With its classic styling, dependable inline-6 engine, manual transmission, and solid condition, this 1964 Chevrolet C10 represents an excellent opportunity for collectors, enthusiasts, or anyone looking to own and enjoy a vintage pickup truck.
Number 8.
1978 Ford F150, price $8,000. It has been upgraded with a desirable GM 5.3 LLS V8 engine swap paired with a 4L60E automatic transmission. Showing 123,000 miles, the truck is finished in gray with a matching gray interior and is powered by gasoline. The LS conversion provides improved reliability, performance, and ease of maintenance, making it a great blend of vintage Ford styling and modern V8 power. The truck cranks easily, starts right up, runs strong, drives smoothly, brakes properly, and offers a comfortable ride. With its combination of classic late 1970s F-Series design and upgraded drivetrain, this F-150 is well suited for weekend cruising, local shows, or regular enjoyment on the road. The automatic transmission delivers effortless driving, while the upgraded powertrain offers the confidence and dependability many enthusiasts look for in a restomod truck. A clean title is in hand and ready for transfer, making this a solid opportunity to own a classic pickup that has already benefited from one of the most popular and proven engine swaps available today.
Number 9.
1972 Chevrolet C10, price $6,500. It is powered by a healthy 305 V8 gasoline engine and has been driven approximately 98,000 miles. The truck is equipped with a manual 3-speed transmission mounted on the steering column, providing a classic driving experience. Finished in gold with a black interior, it retains much of its original and mostly stock character. The truck runs, drives, and stops as it should, with no known mechanical issues. It has received a 4/6 drop kit along with a professionally welded C-notch, giving it an improved stance while maintaining drivability. It also appears to have an aftermarket exhaust system that produces a great sound. As expected for its age, the truck has some typical rust spots, but overall it remains very clean and well presented. This C10 is a solid classic pickup that combines originality, reliability, and tasteful modifications.
Number 10.
1981 Chevrolet C10, price $8,100, finished in white and powered by a dependable 305 V8 engine paired with an automatic transmission. Showing 111,000 miles on the odometer, the truck runs and drives great, offering the kind of performance and character that have made Chevrolet C10s popular among collectors and enthusiasts for decades. Its short wheelbase configuration gives it a desirable stance and classic appearance, making it an excellent candidate for weekend cruising. The truck has benefited from several recent upgrades, including a new windshield, new tires, and a new exhaust system, helping ensure a more comfortable and reliable driving experience.
The exterior presents well in white, while the automatic transmission makes it easy to drive and enjoy. Although the odometer currently reads 111,000 miles, the true mileage is unknown.
Overall, this C10 represents a solid opportunity to own a well-running classic Chevrolet pickup with a strong V8 engine, desirable short wheelbase design, and recent maintenance already completed.